From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. This is a very short video, just a little announcement. You guys may know, for those that have been following me ever since we started this channel back in December of, not last year, but the year before. So about 14 months now. Last July, I believe, is when I opened up for one-on-one mentorship. I only take on about 5 to 7 per month because it is weekly mentorship for calls and 1 month. I guide you through step by step. No matter what your stage is on business credit, I tell you exactly what to get case by case basis based on your personal or business credit, I should say, and guide you in the right direction on what to apply for. Okay, so I'm opening up now. This is the first time in almost 1 year now, about 10 months now. I'm opening up a few spots. The phone number will come across the screen that you will call. That's a toll-free number you're going to call. It will go right to my assistant, John. He will take down your information and schedule the mentorship. He'll give you all the information needed. Again, this is limited to only about 5 to 7 people. What you need to do is either call the number now or go on. So you'll go to joshwaitinglist.com. This will come up. It says Joshua Van Horn, a one-on-one paid monthly business credit coaching mentorship waiting list. You're going to put your first name, last name, email, phone, cell, works best, your company name, and then you're going to put down what is your goals, or what would you like myself, what would you like me to know. Detailed comments. The more you give us, the better. And then if you have a website, put your website there, and then it's going to give you an option to pick now like your budget for mentorship. I can tell you I'm not the cheapest just because I'm so busy, but I give you good value, and I don't think there is anybody on YouTube that can give you the value I can give you and get you the credit lines, or I should say assist you on those business credit lines. You know, not to toot my own horn, but the proof is in the pudding on all my past videos. So again, you're just going to go to joshwaitinglist.com. You can fill that form up, but you can call up until about midnight to my assistant, midnight Eastern Standard Time. The phone number, toll-free number, will be going across the screen right now. And call him, John. It's my personal assistant. He'll explain everything to you, as well as pricing, and get you set up and scheduled if you'd like to proceed. Anyways, like I said, this is only for about 5 to 7 clients I will take on for actual mentorship, for monthly mentorship. Till next time, you guys take care. Stay tuned for other videos. Bye-bye.